This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 20a. In this lesson, we're going to use the number bonds that we saw in the previous lesson to help us divide greater numbers. My first problem is 68 divided by 4. 68 is the dividend, and I've put that as the whole part of my number bond. The goal here is to break 68 into 2 sections, with each section being divisible by 4, since 4 is my divisor. I've started the number bond with breaking it into 40 and some other number. Well, 68 minus 40 is 28. Both 40 and 28 are divisible by 4. That's the goal. We want both sections to be divisible by 4. Here, I'm going to show that 40 divided by 4 is 10, and 28 divided by 4 is 7. I will combine those two answers to give me a final answer of 17. 68 divided by 4 then is 17. So I broke the 68 into 2 sections. Each section is divisible by 4. I worked through those division problems and combined the answers to get the final quotient. Let's look at another problem. Here I'm dividing 84 by 6. 6 is my divisor, so each section needs to be divisible by 6. We started with taking 24 from the 84. That leaves the other part of the number bond as 60. 60 plus 24 equals 84. Both numbers are divisible by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Combine those two answers, I get 14. So 84 divided by 6 is 14. We're going to work through these problems the same way, but as you can see, we're not given a partial number bond. We need to fill in the answers ourselves, knowing that we're dividing 48 by 3, and I know that each part of my number bond needs to be divisible by 3. I'm going to start with 30 and 18. It's easy for me to start with 30 because I know that 30 divided by 3 is 10. Most students are pretty good with their multiples of 10, so I'd ask myself first, if I take 30 out, does that leave a number that's also divisible by 3? 18 is divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. I combine those two answers and get 16. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. Let's look at another problem. Here I have 52 and I'm dividing by 4. I can start with taking 10 groups of 4, or 40, because that leaves 12 as the other part of the number bond, and I know that 12 is also divisible by 4. I can take 40 divided by 4 is 10. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Combine the two answers, I get 13. 52 divided by 4 is 13. Here's a couple more problems. Now I have 84 and I'm dividing by 7. So if I can take 10 times 7, I get 70, and that leaves 14. 70 and 14 equal 84. So I take 70 divided by 7 and I get 10. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Combine those for an answer of 12. 84 divided by 7 is 12. For the last problem, I have 90 and I'm dividing by 6. I can try 60, and that leaves 30 for the other part. 60 and 30 make 90. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Combine those and I get 15. 90 divided by 6 is 15.